everybody. Tonight, hello everybody.
Hey, Papa.
Cheers. First, a good gin tonic. Oh. The reason why we are together tonight, we want to review this nice tripod for cell phone cameras, and if you have an adapter for the GoPro. You can buy it in Amazon. It was fast arriving. You can buy it for, I have to check the exactly the price, €24.99 free the delivery. The reviews was very good for this price. It's not very expensive. It's a tiny one. We will unboxing now. It's a tripod with rubber feet and a handle, and it's 21-inch high three-way pen head mount, quick release plate, means you can take it off without screwing. Yeah, from the brand Mactrem. Yeah, Mactrem. Munchkin MT21. There's also the PT59. I think it's a little bit taller and bigger, but I like this tiny one because it's good for my wife. Let's unboxing.
Thank you, my love.
The box.
Oh, good.
The box is very nicely handcrafted, but that is not. So inside we will find the packing.
Oh, nice. Oh, what is that?
So, and even empty, the box is very nice. So, good. First we have here a card, some commercial about products from kostenlos. That means free. Nah, I don't think so. You can put in the rubbish. First, what I see is this additional holder for cell phone, because that is a package. No? Means
It's separate.
it's included. It's included, but it's a separate product. But it's still included into this price.
The price, okay.
I damaged everything already. Sorry. This is not good handcraft. So good. That is the 360 degrees rotating cell phone holder. It's a standard holder. It's nothing special, I guess. With a 1/4 inch screw. That is a standard screw for camera, and even when your GoPro have an adapter, you can screw it on too. So this is a universal tripod. Yes, this is the holder. How to open it? Okay. This is a universal holder. You can pull it like this, and like this you can fix your cell phone. I'll demonstrate it like this. Cell phone. I hope it will fit. It's a little bit heavy, but it works. And it's really
Tight.
it's tight, and it's really good embraced. So
I see to Papa.
that is not in the middle then. That is not so nice, but it works, I guess. Yeah. You can screw it on the tripod, and then you can do whatever you want. This is not so. It looks not so stable. I don't like it. But okay, we will continue. You can also buy another adapter if you find something. But now, for the price of €24, I think it's greatly okay, no? So, cheers. Now let's open the main part of this
Oh, Papa.
box unboxing. Well, that is the tripod. It's very tiny. Looks it's aluminium with plastics, rubber feet, a curb to lift up the head like this, a handle for the camera, handling. Some screws for the brakes. And finally,
Oh, try it, Tate.
finally, the removable plate. You can remove it, so you can screw it on your device, and you easily and quickly release it from the tripod. So. Good. Let's open it. We can open it like that. There's also there's also lock. You can lock it so that the tripod is stable. There's a hook to hang something. I saw that already by a lot of. I have a big tripod, and on the big tripod I have that too. But the question is still what to hang. Maybe the camera, the camera back, or that it's not in the dirt. I don't know. I asked myself this question: what's this hook used for? Well, but there's a hook. So now we can here easily release the feet to lift it out. That is the first step. No. That is the first step, and you can have also a second level to reach the maximum height of the tripod.
Ah, this is the
But
maximum.
you can also lift the head by this curb. So all in one, it's nicely high.
Mama.
That is good for some YouTube videos on the desk or small things. It's not a stand for standing. It's a desk
I
tripod.
didn't know that you bought it.
Now you know. There's also a scale and a water scale to see if you
Start.
you level it right. That you have the right. Yeah, you can see that.
And this one. Ah.
If your stand is straight, no?
It's one that.
So then you have these rubber feet are really stable, and also the aluminium looks stable. This is plastic. It's not wow, yeah, but for 24 euro or 25 euro, it's really nice quality. I saw worse things already, and it's really stable, and it looks also stable. Here you can also fix the screw when your head is at the level.
Mama.
You can fix it so that nobody can move it anymore. That is also nice made.
You can try it.
Then
at home.
you have here that is also a little bit
Fast.
plastic. Here you can screw it to lock it like this. This is, I think this way you will block it by screwing the handle in. It's not a ball. That means it's not really precisely in the guidance like a real expensive camera ball, but for 25 euro it's nice made. You can also lift this up. That is then the fixing plate, so you can also put your camera by side, no? Or your cell phone, whatever. Well, this head is all plastic too. So, but when I say for 24 euro, it's really nice. You can use it. This is a 1/4 inch screw. You can put a camera on with this support, or if you have another screw, you can use an adapter. And you can screw this device on. That is this included device, which I don't really like. Well, really take the plate off. Then you have here this blocking device. You will put it on. You set it on the point, and here you have the screw. The screw, you can screw it with a coin. And then you can put it in the direction you need.
Later. You will do it later.
If you don't want to use this, you can also use this directly, no? That means if you don't want to turn your cell phone and reach a little bit stable, more stable level, you can also just use the head device like this, which I prefer, I guess, because it's more stable. Our girl is a little bit crazy. I just try to fix out if it fits, because you can also put it like this. No hole to put this spring in, so that's why you have to work a little bit on it to center it. So now we will make the stand a little bit smaller so that it's easier to take a video. The plate again.
Mama,
Yes.
a plate.
The plate you can also
Use.
fix in different ways, like this, or even like this. All fits in. But that is now for your cell phone, and we will put the cell phone now. So
Pizza.
Yeah, later.
so we will include now the phone. It's a little bit tight.
Okay.
So now it's the phone is in.
Do.
You can on it, and then you can also use cam, video. Leveling right. This head is really a little bit cheap made, but it works. So you can adjust it, you can fix it here. You can also fix it there. And all in one, when you screw everything tight, and it is all in one a good device.
Ate, don't scream.
Papa,
Yeah.
give me my your phone.
Level it up. You can fix it. And finally you can adjust it. You can also make a review about cooking over your bowl, about the flowers, about the space ELO. And if you like, you can also switch it like that and turn it to the side.
Ah, do good.
So then you can also do it like this.
Ah, yeah, that is.
You can put it back. The only thing I suggest is that this head is okay, but you maybe buy a better one. You can get it for
Okay.
so for 10 bucks. You can maybe buy this in a better quality, because it's a little bit it's not really, it's plastic.
It's dark, no? The yellow is dark, no?
So
That's all.
well, that was the review about this nice device. It is very, really nice also for traveling, because it's very small when you take it off. Crystal, stop it. That is completely together again, and it fits almost in your pocket. No? It's a 21 inch maximum
21
high.
inch.
Yeah. That is in centimeters, almost 1 meter, no?
Young
Good.
Or something around. So
Papa,
That's all.
for the
Papa,
daily use and the field
Papa,
test, we have to
Papa,
test it first, no?
Papa.
That was the review about this Mactrem Munchkin MT21 3 tripod for cell phones, camera devices, GoPro, and all other stuff. Even Beamer you can fix on it. Coming up next June,
Yeah.
a selfie stick, but it will arrive a little bit later, so we cannot review it yet. But we keep it secret.